4.2, solving a system of equations with substitution. We're going to use a sub, and so we're looking for this situation where it says y equals or x equals, and then whatever it equals then can become our substitute. And we're going to substitute it in to the other equation for y. So we'll have x plus y equals 6. And our substitute is negative 4x. And that's what we will put here. So we've got x minus 4x equals 6, minus 3x equals 6. X is going to equal negative 2. Now we know what this number is, but we've got to find x also, find y. So we have to find x and y. Well, it tells us that y equals negative 4x. So now we'll substitute this for the x. So negative 4 times x, take the negative 2, put it in here, and y is going to equal 8. So your ordered pair is the solution here, negative 2, 8. Okay, let's move to another one. Okay, so here, this is what we want. We want it to say y equals. So x minus 3 is our substitute. And it goes right here for that y. Right in there. So we'll have 8x minus 5 times y equals 21, and we put the x minus 3 in here. Then we're ready to solve our equation. So do the distributing first. Combine like terms. Now we want to move the constant. So subtract 15. Then we want to finish and divide by 3. X is going to equal 2. Then we want to find y, and it's y equals x minus 3. So y equals 2 minus 3. Y equals negative 1. Okay. All right. Let's let you try one of these. All right, here's your system that I want you to practice with. Here you have y equals 3x plus 1. So that's going to be your substitute for the y in the other equation. So go ahead and freeze this so you can practice on your own and then check your work. 3 times y minus 4x equals 13. Drop in my substitute and work through the steps. Combine like terms. We distributed there. Now we want to combine. Then I want to move the constant by subtracting, and we're going to finish by dividing by 5. Then we'll use this y equals 3x plus 1. Put in your 2 now as the substitute. And y will equal 7. 2 and 7. Okay. All right. Well, it's going to get a little bit more difficult than that. So let's look at a problem or two where it is a little bit harder. All right, here's our system, but we don't have an equation that says y equals or x equals. We have one that is close, and so when we look at this, we're going to take this and rewrite it so that it says y equals. And I'm just going to do that right underneath here. So y equals negative 4x plus 10. Now I can use this as my substitute for the y in the other equation. So we have 7x minus 2. I'll leave space there for my y. And then I'm going to bring my sub and put it in. And then it's back to solving. We're going to distribute here and here. We're going to combine like terms. We're going to add the 20, add the 20, divide by the 15, to get x equals 2. And then I'm going to take, and really you should go back into your original problem, but you can go from here. Y equals negative 4x plus 10. And so your ordered pair would be 2, 2, to make this system of equations true. Remember from our earlier lesson about if you will have no solution, or infinite number, of solutions. Remember from when we were solving equations and we had special answers and all the letters, all the variables disappeared. Well, remember that here also. Remember, if you end up with a number equal to a number that isn't true, then this is when it's going to be no solution, because this is not true. But you could end up with 0 equals 0, or even a number equal to a number. But if it makes a true statement, then it'll be the infinite number of solutions. This is where we have parallel lines. This is where we have the same line. So you may notice there also when you're looking at the slope. Okay, good luck with this. Again, if you have questions about the 4.2 homework, just hit the Ask Instructor button. Send me your information. Bye.